In this tutorial, we will explore how to enable the virtual home button on your Samsung Galaxy device's home screen. Whether you're seeking added convenience or have transitioned from a device with a physical button, the virtual home button can prove to be incredibly useful. Discover how to activate this button, tailor it to your needs, all the while delving into the advantages offered by modern technology. Without further delay, let's embark on the steps that will allow you to experience the best of both worlds: seamless design and the functionality of the home button. The first step is to open your phone's settings. Scroll down until you find the accessibility option. Once you locate it, click on it. After that, in the middle of the screen, you will see Interaction and Dexterity. Click on that. Now, we need to turn on the Assistant menu option. To do this, click the switch here. Confirm the activation by clicking Allow. A button will now appear on the right side of the screen. When we click on it, we will see various options. You have the ability to return to the home screen, adjust the volume, take screenshots, go back, and much more. If you want to disable the Assistant menu option, click on Settings and then click on the switch to turn it off. Confirm once again by clicking Turn Off at the bottom of the screen. We hope we've helped you and taught you something new. If you like the video, please leave a like. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.